Hi, everyone. Welcome to January 2nd to January 11th. This is the work for the week. And as we discussed in class, there are 1, 2, 3 discussion activities that I would like you to participate in. We talked about the first 2. The third activity is a role play. So what I would like you to do is I would like you to choose one of the roles and practice speaking. So the easiest way to do that is to add a new discussion topic, and then you would click on this top left-hand toolbar, and then you'll see over on the right is the microphone. You click on the microphone. My computer asks me to allow the microphone, and then I record here, and then it will ask me to upload, and then finally I insert, and it will go into the window here. So that's your recorded response for this week, and it's practice for the assessment coming up next Saturday, where we'll do a role play. And we'll practice some of the language that you learned this week and the phrases that I gave you in class on Saturday. So when I say speaking assessment, what I want to see is obviously the criteria some of the criteria that we discussed, like speaking fluently without too many gaps, using adequate vocabulary for the level, using the correct what we call gambits. So in this case, and depending on what the situation is, it could be making suggestions. Likely it will have to do with a New Year situation, so you would be making suggestions. But then also looking at the language here in the video and in the handout for the goal setting, so the language for goal setting, as well as the phrases for making resolutions. I'm determined not to, I'm determined to, I'm planning to, I'm planning on, right? I hope to, I'd like to, I might, I'm thinking about, and then phrases for expressing excitement, I'm looking forward to, I can't wait to, I'm counting down the days until, and some slang, I'm psyched, I'm pumped to go to China, for instance. Future perfect. So those are the phrases that I'm going to be looking for in the speaking assessment that we do next week. And I will be adding the criteria a little, maybe not today, but by Saturday, I will have added the criteria that you can look at. And then everything else I think I explained on Saturday. So there's a reading here. There's some writing practice, which I updated. So you should be able to get into the Google Doc now and write your sentences. So basically when you open this and you click on the document, you're going to write your sentence here. Okay, and then just all the students will be writing their names. For example, Nora Lynn. And then Nora Lynn would write her sentences, and then the next person would start, hooray, and then the next person, and you just write your sentences all on the Google Doc. And then we get a chance to see everyone's sentences. So that's the Google Doc. What else for this week? It's just loading. So here's the listening. If you some of you didn't complete the listening in class, so I've added the listening, and you can listen again and fill in the questions. And some New Year vocabulary, which we talked about last week. So those are all the things for this week. Good luck, and I hope that it's all easy to understand, and that you enjoy this week's activities. So we'll see you next week, and thank you. I should say I might add one or two more activities before Saturday. But we'll see. We'll just see how things go. Okay, thank you.